Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we will teach you how you can fix the toolbar missing issue in your PowerPoint presentation. So let us get started. So head over to presentation in PowerPoint. As you can see guys, I don't see the toolbar here at the top. All I see are these tabs. And this is how you can fix this guys. It is actually pretty simple. The main reason for that is that you, for example, may accidentally have disabled or hidden the ribbon here at the top. To enable it back again, guys, simply click on one of these tabs, anyone, for example, the Home tab. And after that, head over to this arrow down icon here on the very right hand side. Click on it to show the ribbon display options and switch from show tabs only to always show ribbon. And that is going to reappear or show these ribbons here with all these tools and the toolbar. Even if I click off and click, for example, on any of these slides here, the toolbar with that ribbon here at the top will still be accessible. And that's how we fix this, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.